So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag I go by LUNAROSE, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And as you can read from the title of today's video, I yet again splurged, I yet again went on a massive shopping spree on Shein, so let's get into it, shall we? Literally didn't even come out. So I purchased all of these garments from Shein with my own money, combined with the help of my Patreon family, so I just want to give my Patreon family a huge shout out in today's video. I do also have an account referral code for Shein, which you enter on the other services tab on your My Profile kind of account dashboard, and then you click on referral person, and it is code UKA135. If you guys could please enter that in your account, it will mark me as your referral person, and I will make a very small commission of anything you purchase, but it costs you nothing, helps me out big time, and helps me buy more drag. So without further ado, let's try it all on, shall we? Better than the intro, but still terrible. So the first thing I picked up from Shein is very much up my general style avenue, because it is giving full-on like sex kitten realness. You guys know how much I love animal print, but this one is a little bit more covered up than kind of what my usual style is, since it is high neckline and like long sleeved. But what I thought was super cute is that it comes with like a matching glove, so you can have like a full like arm moment and like just show off your legs. But I'm kind of tempted in the future to wear like a leopard print thigh high with it too, and just literally show that little bit of thigh skin and make it like extra scandalous and sexy in that one little zone. But yeah, I absolutely love animal print. I love a good stretch fabric, and for sure, some point in the future, you'll see it on my channel. You'll see it on my channel. You guys will be proud of me for this next piece and stepping outside of my usual kind of style comfort zone. Although I do love a coordinating set. Generally, I don't pick it up if it's like a trouser and then like a little bralette. But there was just something about this green tartan print that just called my name. It looked so sickening on the model, and I'm praying to God I can do it justice and give it like a little bit like punky Vivienne Westwood edge, since I love tartan, girl. I absolutely love tartan. Tartan. And speaking of loving tartan, the next thing I picked up is also tartan, but I picked it up from the lingerie section. And you might be asking yourself, why would tartan be in a lingerie section? But I picked up a pretty much see-through kind of schoolgirl outfit with matching skirt. I don't think I'll be able to show this on YouTube without getting my ass blocked, but at some point in the future on my Patreon, expect a sexy slutty tartan schoolgirl, since, like I just said, I love tartan, and this is more up my style avenue. I've been a sex kitten slut, so win-win. Okay, I was clearly feeling the tartan in this haul, since the next thing I picked up is another tartan piece. This one is like a really cute kind of mix and match kind of tartan crop top shirt, which is honestly such a sickening style aesthetic. And I do actually have a matching skirt to this that I picked up last year, I believe. So I'm hoping I can wear this shirt like tied with my breastplate and then like the matching skirt to it, and just give you a full on like mix match kind of busty babe tartan moment, since, you know, if you haven't noticed already, I love tartan. So the next thing I ended up picking up is also from the lingerie section, and is very much literally the stereotypical thing I could think of when I think of my drag, because it is a full-on pink glitter fabric kind of suspender belt, bra and little thong set, and I'm praying to God this like sits well on my body and looks really sickening and sexy on me, since I absolutely love this fabric, I absolutely love this colour, and literally it is quintessential LUNAROSE to have a glittering sparkly like rhinestoned lingerie set. So yeah, I'm praying to God it looks cute on my body, and you'll definitely see it in the future, girls. No tongue pop came out then. Literally no tongue pop came out. Okay, so the next thing I picked up was also from the lingerie section. However, this one I really don't think I'll be able to show on camera, since it is literally the most skimpy, sheer see-through thing I've ever seen in my life. But at some point in the future, for my black rose tier upwards, I will definitely do a kind of a risque Black Widow moment, since it has like matching cuffs and I think it's a cute look. But yeah, it definitely leaves zero to the imagination, so YouTube will destroy me if I even attempt to say I'm going to try it on in this video. And we're back to non-lingerie pieces, meaning I'll actually be able to try it on for you guys. This next thing I picked up is just a red kind of plain ruched dress, but what I thought was super cute about this is that it comes with kind of matching sleeves or potential matching like high-waisted kind of sock moment, depending on what you want to wear it for. And you guys know I love an outfit that kind of comes as like a set, and I can like mix and match it or like apply pieces to other areas of my body, and it just makes it look like a whole like tied together garment. So yeah, for sure, definitely in the future, you will see me in a red ruche little moment with a glove slash thigh high. And we're back with another coordinating set already. This one I don't think came as like an actual set on the website, but I bought them when they like came up as recommended for each other. And it's in a print I don't think I've ever really seen on a like clothing website before. And that is a full on like yin yang kind of a black cutout kind of moment detail. So you get a cute little crop top as well as a high-waisted kind of biker short like set. Generally, I'm not the biggest fan of biker shorts, but I really wanted something to wear the top and like unify the piece together. And I did also recently pick up like a yin yang pair of earrings, so you know, I might be like letting on a little bit, but I definitely want to do a full on like ensemble of it at some point in the future and do like a matching thigh high of like each colour. But yeah, I thought it was just a cute little set and a little bit outside my comfort zone with a biker short, so let me know what you think of it down below. And now we're back to being very on brand and very risque, since the next thing I picked up is a full-on like red latex kind of high neckline but complete tit out kind of garment, which is very on brand for me, very sexy. And at some point in the future I really want to wear my breastplate with this and just like rock the girls out full on show on my Patreon, since definitely an outfit like this is not YouTube friendly, but it is very sickening, very much belonging in my wardrobe, and oh, I love this. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be able to wear this on my channel either in today's try-on video, but the next thing I picked up is another one of their like sexy kind of lingerie sets, and this one is a sexy football hooligan, so you get a cute little crop top that says like I love football, as well as a strip of fabric to cover your dignity, which you know, I don't have anyway, girl, but I thought it was just kind of a cute little set. And at some point in the future on my Patreon, again, expect lots of risque stuff, since I have bought so much lingerie now. I need to live my full like sexual fantasy over there. Speaking of living my sexual fantasy, the next thing I picked up is a red cute little body stocking with some matching cuffs. I've actually picked this up in now pink and black, and I might have already picked it up in red before in a previous haul, but either way I absolutely love the kind of fit and style of these garments, since they cover up all the areas that I want to cover up but showcase literally everything else, which is, you know, very on brand, very much my drag style. So definitely at some point in the future expect me to rock a lot more body stockings. And we're back with another completely sheer piece, but at some point on my Patreon in the future I definitely want to wear a lot more lingerie, some more dedicated kind of lingerie try-on videos and stuff where it won't get blocked if I try it on YouTube kind of thing will definitely be up on my Patreon. But I just love this kind of style and fit of like any garment where it's like bardo off the shoulder with some nice like capped sleeves, just that like ties it together and covers up like the top of my arms. And yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be as sheer as it is, but sure is sexy. Wow, you guys are going to think I am a complete whore and prostitute, since the next thing I picked up is another lingerie set in another like glittery fabric material like the pink set, but this one is in a purple like glitter fabric. So you get a bra, a thong and a little garter belt. Again, if this fits and looks cute on my body, definitely expect to see it in the future, since I love glitter fabric and just anything with a bit of sparkle, a bit of shimmer and a bit of like tacky delicious extraness. I am all here for it, and it's lingerie, so win-win. I feel like I need to go to church and confess after this haul, since the next thing I picked up is also pretty risque and scantily clad, shall we say, but it is a black kind of vinyl-y latex looking little bodysuit. You guys know how much I love a bodysuit or a swimsuit or something that shows off my legs in their like entirety and full, and I love a black kind of PVC kind of latexy looking moment. So yeah, if this fits and it stretches and looks cute on my body, definitely expect to see it in the future, since I definitely need to go to church after this. Yep, another risque lingerie piece that I don't think I'll be able to show on YouTube, but this one is like a silver little thong panty with some like bead details down the side, as well as a matching bra with the same like bead details and some like garter belt accents with the same like hanging bead chain details. Again, at some point in the future on my Patreon, I definitely and like need to start wearing some of my lingerie and doing some more like risque content in it all, since these sets are honestly so sickening and so sexy, but YouTube will definitely block me if I expose my entire body, shall we say, but it's cute. And we've gone from scantily clad outfits to pretty much a full coverage, very much outside my usual style and comfort zone piece, because it is a black pair of dinosaur print flare kind of leggings, which is, you know, safe to say something very different, and I don't think you guys expected me to pick up something like this, but I did pick up a matching kind of a print crop top in a previous haul, and I'm hoping I can wear them together and it'll look like a cute little co-ord set, but because it's a pair of like flare trousers, it's something a little bit different compared to my usual style. But yeah, it's about time I actually picked up some clothing and not just some fabric in this haul, so got a pair of trousers, girl. Okay, so not only in this haul have I picked up some new style pieces and some like bits of fabric, but I've also picked up some very ugly things, since the next thing I picked up is a full-on blue metallic high-waisted skirt. It's a very different piece, but I do actually have a bodysuit that I got from eBay like a year ago in like a very similar fabric, so I'm praying to God I can like wear them together and it'll look cute, since yeah, I don't really know what I was thinking when I bought this. It is futuristic tacky AF. Ooh, so this next thing I picked up is very much up my usual style aesthetic, since it is a green animal print crop top with some nice like neon green kind of boning banding detail. Honestly, this kind of fit of garment and like look and colour and like pattern print everything is so up my style aesthetic. I'm praying to God I can wear this with my breastplate, since it'll fit kind of a little bit more to the sides of my shoulders and hopefully cover the edge seams and just look sickening, be really bright and vibrant, and you guys know green is my favourite colour. And we're back with something a little bit more risque. What did you guys expect? This next piece is just kind of a basic black stretch bodycon dress, but what makes it a little bit more sexy as well as a little bit more stylish is that the kind of edge details do have white lace, which gives me very like maid vibes to it, and I'm praying to God it looks cute and I can wear it as like a little slip dress under something sheer or by itself and give you a full-on like slutty sexy maid fantasy, which honestly is a vibe I'm so here for. And then the final garment I picked up is also from their like fancy dress lingerie category, and honestly this would have been perfect for Valentine's Day, so definitely expect this to be worn for Valentine's Day 2022, because it is literally a love doctor's outfit. So you get like a little like nurse hat as well as this little like red dress moment, but all the buttons are like love heart themed and like love heart printed, and I just think this is such a cute and sickening little like outfit piece, and yeah, for sure expect me to wear it for Valentine's Day 2022, since I can be a sexy slutty love doctor. Literally nothing came out when I tried to tongue pop them, literally nothing. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this Shein clothing haul. I know I picked up a lot of lingerie and not all things I'll be able to show on YouTube, but like I've said a few times throughout this video already, definitely expect me to wear a lot more of it up on my Patreon in the next like coming weeks and months, since I own so much lingerie now and I definitely need to get use out of it all. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below which piece was your favourite, and don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday at 10 PM Greenwich Mean Time, but like I said, make sure you hit that notification bell to tell you about new uploads, bonus days, updates and the works of it all. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye. Literally nothing came out. Better.